He always sing in the morning. You do? Come on.
Right, lighty, lighty, offy, offy. Right.
Good morning. As usual, we're going to work, and good news, my uniform is dry. I was so bothered last night that my uniform won't be dry in the morning, but luckily it is dry. And yeah, the time here is 5 to 7.
So should we make a move, darling?
Yeah, we will do, darling. I'll just get a clementine. Somebody says this is orange, but it says on the packaging it is clementine. So I don't know, whatever. They're still orange. So I'll be following John.
I'll leave that light on.
As usual, he wore my car.
Okay.
Bye-bye, I love you.
Okay. Right, take care.
I will, bye-bye. Bye-bye. I am just waiting for John. Where is that guy? Here he is. I'm here at the car park, and I'm just putting my shoes on because if you don't know, when I am driving, I got a different shoes. So ipapakita ko sa inyo. So this is my driving shoes, a pump shoes, and this is my trainers for work. And it's so cute. As I was following John, we always, when we separate our ways, I always flash my headlights and he flashed me his hazard light. Oh gosh, I love that one. There you go. So I'm going to work now. I'll see you at home. Good afternoon mga palangga. So today is my day off, so relax din pag may time. Well, hindi naman talaga relaxation time kasi pag, I'm sorry, I'm puffing. I was just been downstairs and then go up again to get my camera. So yeah, hindi naman talaga relaxation kasi pag day off ko, gumagawa ako ng gawaing bahay, yung mga wife duties, and John is just finished washing his Polaris. He's out here. Look at his face. That guy. And later on, we're going to my friend. We will have a dinner in there. It's like just a casual dinner with just group of friends. And I think ang babae na pupunta is ako lang at yung kaibigan ni Jan na nag-invite sa amin, yung asawa niya. So, kaming dalawa. I think ha. And I don't think I am able to vlog in there because they don't know I am vlogging, and I just feel embarrassed to pull out my camera and say that, oh, can I just vlog? It's so awkward. So when did you bought this battery? Sorry, I don't have brass. I need to go like that. So John bought a battery, a non-genuine battery. This is the battery he bought. This is the genuine battery, but he said that it is not good. Sometimes the non-genuine battery, like I got a non-genuine battery for my camera and it's absolutely fine, but in this case for our flashlight, no. Han, stop it. It makes my eyes.
Sorry, Dad. I need to know my toilet.
It makes my eyes funny. Hello, and so we are going. I'm just waiting for John. It's quite drizzly outside, and this is what I am wearing. And John is here, and we'll bring a wine. Kasi it's so embarrassing if we don't bring anything to their house.
Last time I forgot, didn't I? I forgot to pick you up, didn't I?
Yeah. Oh dear. We are here. We're going home. Did you enjoy your night, honey?
I did. Yeah.
Good.
Donna, can you turn your light?
Sorry. And now we are home. It's such a lovely night. I enjoyed my night. We had a lamb and roast lamb, not a lamb, roast lamb. And then for dessert, trifle and cheesecake. Well, I only have trifle anyway because I love trifle as well as cheesecake, but you cannot have both.
I do.
Well, I am on diet.
I am too. I'm on a seafood diet.
Are you?
So you can eat it.
Good morning, and I am so excited because we got a snow this morning. As if this is my first time, but I don't know why every time we have a snow it makes me so excited, but later on I will just like, oh, we got a snow, it's not good for driving. So here it is. It's not a lot of snow, see, but at least the ground is a bit white, so it's not a major snow. And as usual, for the morning mga palangga, I'm having coffee prepared by my husband. I forgot my tripod in Jan's car again, so I am holding you like this, and because I just woke up, I have nothing on. Nothing. I mean, no bra on. So, you're saying Jan right now. Are you warm enough now?
No, I'm freezing. 15 degrees.
He asked me to light the fire, but I just completely forgot about it because, let me explain myself, because I did iron my uniform and then watch the eggs boiling, and that's it. It's just gone.
Let me explain why she forgot.
What?
She forgot because I was outside in the cold, right? She was inside here, nice and warm, thinking, fine, fine. I don't need to be hot. So there you go. That's the explanation.
No!
If you were cold, you'd have lit it.
No! Oh, look out outside. What's happening? It's starting to snow. It's a very fine snow. I hope you could see that in the camera, but hey, it's really building. I hope we get more snow so that I can build another snowman. This kind of weather, mga palangga, it really makes me crave for Filipino food like sinigang, arroz caldo, because I just feel that those kind of food is just perfect for this weather. What are you doing?
It's just a guy who saw a trailer to do some more snow coming up.
Oh, more snow coming. One trivia for you. The British people likes to talk about weather.
Who does?
British people.
Well, yes, and why do we talk about the weather? Because you see, unlike the lucky people in the Philippines, in one sense, they could nearly, guarantee arrange something outdoors, and it'll take place because of the weather is good. I know they get terrible, typhoons and that coming and things, through certain seasons, but most of the time you can
predict the weather.
And you can just do whatever. Unfortunately here, a lot of things is all controlled by our beautiful weather. See, the trouble is we live on an island. We're next to the Atlantic Sea. We've got the Irish Sea and then Atlantic, but Everything comes across the pond from America to us. There's nothing in between to stop it. And we get it all.
Since I came here, all I had is rain, rain, rain,
She's
rain.
exaggerating.
Yes, it is true. I was reading a comments earlier, B, and I think she asked me a question that.
What question?
What is your transition when we move in together, like as in live together?
What do you mean?
I got a really easy answer for that. You just keep farting on bed. You do. Sometimes I wake up in bed, it's like, John, please stop.
Don't make me out to be something.
You are. Don't give me that. It's just so annoying.
There's one thing I've found
What?
about her since she came here. She tells lies about me.
No, don't say that. You know, people believe that, Han.
I'm good. I'm glad they do believe because,
Han.
I do not blow like
you
that. Periodically, when you cook me something different, which doesn't quite agree with the digestive system, sometimes it makes me blow a little.
A little. You almost killed me in bed.
Why is she laughing, guys? She looks really...
Seriously,
looks
that's
like she's
bad.
dead, doesn't she?
No, don't
Yeah,
give me
yeah.
that, Han. People
Yeah.
believe that they are telling lies.
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you something, guys. One thing I've noticed is I can't believe how big my bed is, but yet how small it is. I only have a small piece of my bed every night. And the size of her, well...
We need a king-size bed.
Yeah.
We really need.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Unbelievable.
that's a transition of after moving in. Yeah.
Just tell the truth.
What truth? That you're keep farting on bed.
No. Ever since you arrived here,
Yeah.
your life has just been like bliss, heaven.
It's just so bad. I just keep farting.
You wouldn't believe the vibrations we get from this one.
Honey, we...
So you don't do it, do you know?
I do.
Yeah.
But not as much as you do.
Mine might be noisy, but they don't.
Honey, no, it's just like...
Mine is like
I can tell all the story.
angel breath.
Yeah, so yeah, we're just not doing anything today.
We didn't do anything. I'm here. I come here to make some phone calls, and while you got the camera running, I can't. So goodbye, guys.
Goodbye, that's what he said. So anyway, that's for us. I hope that I answer your question, even though John is very in denial. So bye, I'll see you on my next vlog, and bye. Bye, John.
I am not in denial.
No, bye.